Hello everyone, and today's video will not be the most positive one. I'm so sorry about that, but I feel like I have to talk about it. It's been a few days since the 1.5 update dropped, and I wanted to share with my thoughts and concerns. Thankfully, I didn't experience any issues with the co-op, but there was a lot of bugs, some of which could only be fixed by restarting the game. But to be honest, what surprised me most is the both 5-star outfits are 11 pieces. Opening the game, I wasn't expecting that at all, to be honest. And I really hope that in the future we will go back to usual 9 or 10 pieces, because that felt more balanced and like easier to get the outfits as a low spender or free to play player. Like 11 pieces for free to play players, it's quite a lot. And unfortunately, I don't use social medias like Twitter, and I rarely check Discord. That's why I only recently learned about the boycott and the unacceptable actions from the developers. I am so sorry for not making this video earlier and for not joining the boycott sooner. But I want to say that my way of the boycotting the game is by not spending any money at all. I still have the monthly subscription that I purchased before the update. So after it expires, I won't be buying anything. I don't want to completely quit the game just yet because I truly love Infinity Nikki, and I still hope that developers will listen to the community and stop being too greedy. I was so excited about the update, but what did we actually get? They tried to deceive us with the Steam wishlist reward event. Thankfully, the community caught it and they couldn't get away with it. But the fact that they even tried it is like very disappointing. They increased the number of outside parts to 11 without warning, which feels dishonest and breaks my trust. And they removed the original tutorial and replaced it with the new one. But why? How are the new players, especially those who never played earlier Nikki games like Shining Nikki or Love Nikki? How are they supposed to understand what's going on? How are they supposed to feel anything about Mirrorland being destroyed if they never been given the time to build connection with it? I personally think that the original opening was pretty good. I think that new players need the time to connect with the world, fall in love with it, and feel something after we are getting told that it can be destroyed. I still have hope. I really want to keep loving this game, but developers need to prove that they care about us, not about our wallets. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think about all this situation? What do you think about the 1.5 update? Because I was so excited. I still enjoy it, but all those small things that we got are just concerning. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.